Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Protect yourself and ventilate the room because acid and airborne rust dust can irritate. Use a wire brush or 80-120 grit sandpaper to knock off flaky rust. That exposes clean metal so treatments work. Once done, apply white vinegar or a citric acid paste directly to the stained area and let it sit for 10-30 minutes. Vinegar dissolves iron oxide chemically while the acid helps lift rust out of pits, making mechanical removal much easier. Next, scrub the treated area with a nylon brush or scouring pad to work the dissolved rust away without damaging metal. Once the surface looks cleaner, neutralize remaining acid by rinsing with a baking soda solution. This prevents continued etching. Then rinse with plain water. Make sure to dry every nook with a towel and a hair dryer if available, because moisture causes re-rusting. If you still see dark pits, repeat the vinegar step briefly and target only those stubborn spots. Finish by protecting the clean metal. Apply a rust inhibitor or a thin coat of stainless polish or enamel paint for non-stainless fixtures. These create a barrier against moisture. Make sure to reapply sealant annually and keep the bathroom ventilated and dry after showers to prevent recurrence. If rust persists despite treatments, sand to bright metal with finer grit and repeat the acid-neutralize cycle. Troubleshooting tip. If staining returns quickly, you likely missed a porous pit. Sand deeper and reseal to stop the source.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.